Hello, dear students. My name is Mukesh Baitanna. As in last lecture, we have seen of long question, first and second. Give answer around 100 to 150 words or 2 to 3 paragraph. Now, third one. Do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give your answer. Again, the questions. Do you agree with Margie that school today have more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Give reasons for your answer. Answer that I totally agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story. I totally agree with Margie that school are today are more fun than the school in the story. Why? Margie had a school in her house. First, her teacher was mechanical. Her teacher was mechanical, and she had no classmates. Without classmate, how can a child enjoy? Had to study alone, naturally not like. One can imagine what a boring and dull school she was having. One can understand, had to study alone, no friends, no classmate. That is why she was boring. Whenever we hear the word school, images of children having fun start running through our mind. When we listen these particular words, then this particular idea thinking coming in our mind. This wasn't the case with Margie. This wasn't the case with Margie. That is why Margie didn't like her school, and I also agree with this that real enjoyment we can't get. The school is in our house, near our bedroom, and had to study alone, become boring. So she had the school in the story and she liked past school. Second paragraph. She could neither play with her friends in the school playground. Alone study, then how can she play in the school playground? Nor could they all come home together. They could not come home together also, because school was near her house, means near her bedroom in the house. That is why. Nor could she think of helping other kids with the homework. It was unable for her to help another student. Moreover, the mechanical teacher gave test after test. As you know, she also didn't like, even if one wasn't performing well, then also giving test after test without understanding students' level of understanding, because mechanical teacher How can mechanical teacher understood the level of the student? So, for these many reasons, she didn't like the school in the story. While, last paragraph, the old kind of school had a human teacher to teach the children. Old kind of school had a human teacher to teach the students, children. There used to be a special building where all children of the neighborhood came. All the children going together to the school, coming together from the school, they had their interaction, they were there talking. Then befriend one another. They become friend with one another. It was a lot fun to be. It was a lot fun to be among the students of same age group. Naturally, all the students who particularly study in their class same age, so they thinking ideas also match with other. So the two different school have lot of difference. Two different school have lot of difference, and there used to be different thing in the two schools. There used to be the different thing in the two different school. That is why we can say, or I agree with Margie that the particular school in the story is not too much better, but past school had more fun than comparison with the school in the story. So main long three questions are there. Now thinking about language. Textbook page number 11. Adverb. Question arises, what is adverb? Adverb means the particular word which adds some meaning to the verb. If you realize, then you find add plus verb, add something to the verb. As add something to the noun, it is called adjective. Add something to the verb, it is called adverb. Read this sentence taken from the story. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away be nearly a month because the history section has blanked out completely. See, read this particular sentence completely. The word complete is an adjective. When you add ly to it, it becomes adverb. Generally have to add last ly. Completely. Complete is adjective. I have complete my book. Complete is adjective, but completely is adverb. Find the sentence in the lesson which have the adverbs given in the box below. We have to find the particular adverb given below. See, first given, that is see, awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, carefully, differently, quickly, and nonchalantly. These 8 adverb given, we have to find it out. In which sentence this particular sentence given. The sentences in the lesson which have the adverb are. The sentence, all these particular adverb sentence given in the textbook lesson. Number 1, awfully, that torn pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. See, awfully word also is found in this particular sentence, and awfully is adverb. Clear? Number two, sorrowfully. After this particular, another word is there, that is sorrowfully. See on right side from first. Sorrowfully, the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. See, from sorrow it become sorrowfully. Sorrow, that you know, unhappy condition, sad condition, that is sorrowfully. Third one, see, completely. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. See, from complete it become completely. Complete adjective and completely is adverb. That means we have to learn that if any person asks what is adverb, adverb is a particular word which adds some meaning to the verb. It is called adverb. Add, you know, you have learned the sums of addition. Add means plus. Verb which adds some meaning to the verb, it is called adverb. And generally in adverb you find last two letter ly. Complete, then completely, sorrow, then sorrowfully, care, then carefully, quick, then quickly. Last word you see, generally you find ly. Next, loftily and carefully. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. See, centuries ago. This particular in this line, loftily and carefully. Differently, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teacher if teaches that each kid has to be taught differently, all not same mind, as you know. That is why each kid has to be teach differently. Quickly. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. From quick it become quickly. As you know. Nonchalantly. Maybe he said nonchalantly. Speaking together. Nonchalantly, as you know. Now use these adverb to fill in the blanks in the sentence below. Use these adverb, fill in the blanks in the sentence below. How to write particular blanks from seeing the particular words. See, first sentence, the report must be read as so that performance can be improved. The report must be read so that performance can be improved. When The report must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. Which word coming in blanks? Carefully. Next, at the interview, Samir answered our questions dash shrugging his shoulders. What particular words using this? That again, at the interview, Samir answered our questions loftily shrugging his shoulders. Loftily word is used because while giving answer, particularly in interview, that means hesitating and giving. We all behave, third one, we all behave, we all behave differently when we are tired or hungry. We are tired or hungry, then naturally we all behave differently, not in a proper way. That is why we can say that we behave differently when we become hungry or tired. Number 4, the teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lied to her. The teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lied to her. Lied means telling lie. Then naturally the teacher shook her head sorrowfully, not in happy condition. Number 5, I forgot about it completely. I forgot about it completely means totally I forgot. Number 5, I forgot it completely. Number 6, when I complimented Ravati on her success, she just smiled dash and tongue. When I complimented Ravati on her success, she just smiled. The particular word nonchalantly means not in a too much happy way and turn away. Sentence number 7, the president of the company is awfully busy and will not be able to meet you. The particular president of the company is awfully busy means in the real sense busy and turn it. And number 7, okay. Number 8, I finished my work so that I could go out to play quickly. So, if you see, if you observe, then you realize that particular word which you keep in mind that we must realize what is adverb. Adverb is a word which adds some meaning to the verb. Generally, it takes last letter ly, complete then completely, sorrow then sorrowfully, loft then loftily, care then carefully, different then differently. Like these words you find in adverb, which we have seen and complete the fill in the blanks also. Now question number 3 in this grammar section. Question number 3, that is make adverbs from the adjective. These all are given adjectives. We have to make the form of adverb. See first one, angry, then angrily. Angry, then angrily. Angry. Happy, then happily. See. Y cut and L-I-L-Y. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. Merry, then merrily. M-E-R-R-I-L-Y. Y cut. Sleepy, then sleepily. L-Y. S-L-L-P-I-L-Y. Sleepily. Easy, then easily. Noisy, then noisily. Tidy, then tidily. And gloomy, then gloomily. All these you see Y coming last of letter C in adjective. Cut the Y and adding I-L-Y. What we have to learn in this particular lessons or particular point, that shows that we have to remain careful while we must, when we think about this particular words, we must remain carefully. See answer also here given of adverbs that we have to keep in mind. Now see in writing, page number 12. See, a new revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has just been released. Order 1 said, write a letter to the publisher, Mindframe Private Limited, 1632 Asaf Ali Road, New Delhi, requesting that a set be sent to you by volume payable post VPP. Giving your address, your letter will have the following parts. We will have to write a letter. Two types of letter, as you know, formal and informal. How to write a letter, that is also one type of art. We must learn this or have to think about this. That is why it is important for us to learn this particular letter. See, this particular letter contains, see, address of the sender and receiver. Both address must be there. Senders, that means we are sending, so our address, and receiver means the particular to whom we are writing. The salutations, this particular, as you know, dear sir, madam, like this, the body of the letter, main points, and the closing phrase and signature that must not be forgotten. See answer, E1570 RK Puram, Sector 12, New Delhi, 110024, 14th April 2020. See, mine first sender's address. For example, we are writing then our address. Then to whom we are sending their address. That is called receiver address, and we are sending, so we are our address, that is sender's address. First our address means who is sending, and next the person or particular company who receives. Then see, dear sir, madam, I have come to know that you have just released new revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories. I am a big fan of his writing style, and the revised volume is really hard to find. I have to write, dear sir, madam, and then have to write, I have to come to know that you have just released, published new revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories, and also have to say that I am a big fan of his writing style, and revised volumes is really hard to find. Therefore, I would like to place an order for one set of the same. Kindly send it to the above given address by value payable post VPP short form after deducting the ongoing discount. Thanking you in advance, yours faithfully Tusan. Have to show it, and after deducting or after giving discount have to particular giving discount and sending it by VPP, means value payable post. Short form it VPP, that is taken consideration into proper way or proper field. We must think about it. Clear? That brings the end of this particular lecture. In homework, this particular fill in the blanks as I have explained, question answer which I have explained, and later that you have to write one time and read 3 times. You have to write in your book question answer, grammar as well as letter, so that you can learn properly. Clear? In next lecture we will study this particular lesson come to end here, and in this way this bring the end of these lessons. Second lesson we will start in next lecture, the sound of music, that we will study in next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.